Hello, this is Bob. WhoDat7030 is my eBay name, and WhoDat7030 is also my YouTube channel name. And I've got a relatively new product here today, Panini One-Touch Football. This very high-end product, as you can see, just one card per pack, one pack per box. It's a 10-box case, so we're only going to get 10 cards in here, but they are encased. And I've done a couple individual boxes, and I'll show you real quick. They come in a one-touch box, very nice. Open it up, got one card in it. They're encased cards, Panini Factory encased. You can see this is a Sam Darnold rookie card. So very nice product. So since I'm doing all 10 boxes in the whole case, hopefully we'll get a couple of good hits here. Should go very fast. And it's always nice to open a sealed case, because hopefully we're going to find something really nice in here. 10 boxes, one card per box. Let's see what we get. All right, look what I got. Another Sam Darnold. Two Sam Darnolds. Let's get the other one to see how similar. This is a rookie card numbered to 49. A little bit different. First one I pulled is 199, and it's on a canvas with an auto. This is more of a traditional card numbered to 49. Another Sam Darnold rookie card. So two Sam Darnold rookie cards. Not bad. First box, I give it a thumbs up. Box number 2. Lamar Jackson. Couldn't read it on the front. This is Lamar Jackson. Pretty sure it's a rookie card. Another nice rookie card. And this one is number 249 again. This is on a canvas setting for the card. Very nice. As you can see, these cases go really quick. Just one card per box. Not a lot of junk in here for sure. Box number 3 in the case. Oh, we got a redemption. I'm not a big fan of redemptions, but let's see who we got. Well, I can't complain on this one. Rookie dual patch, Saquon Barkley. So I will not complain about that. Obviously, to redeem it, you have to open a sealed box. That doesn't make a lot of sense, but Saquon Barkley. Not sure what it's numbered to, but it's a rookie dual patch auto. They can be various numbers, not sure which one it is. But off to a good start. Lamar Jackson, Saquon Barkley, and Sam Darnold. Box number 4. Ronald Jones the second to 199. Another canvas card. Here we go. Nice looking cards. Okay, this is our halfway point. There are 5 boxes after this. This is a 13 of 15. Josh Allen. 13 of 15. Getting some nice hits here. Let's keep it going. These cases are going fast. They're hard to find right now. You can find them online a couple of different places, but not too many. Mitchell Trubisky, Chicago Bears, and 17 of 25. It is not a rookie card, but he had a good year last year, and he'll keep progressing as far as I can see. He's doing well. Got the Bears to the playoffs last year anyway. Okay, here we go. Andre Reed. We got an old timer here. Buffalo Bills, 15 of 49. Andre Reed. Always nice to mix in a few All-Pros, Hall of Famers with the rookies. We got 3 more boxes to go. Nick Chubb. Another nice rookie auto. Nick Chubb, Cleveland Browns. Did very well last year. He's got a new running mate with Hunt. See how that goes. But I think Chubb is the man. Two more boxes. Can't complain. This is fun stuff to open. Ed Reed, another old timer, very nice patch. A quad patch, 2 of 5 card. If you're gonna get an old timer, you might as well get a short print run. Very nice card. Baltimore Ravens, any Baltimore Ravens fan would love that card, I'm sure. Here we go, one more. Let's see what we got. We got Josh Rosen. 35 of 49. Done well on quarterbacks. Josh Rosen, 35 of 49. He may or may not be with Arizona next year. We'll have to see, but wherever he goes, he's going to be successful. And that is our 10-box Panini 1 case football. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.